attached to you. Get close to me. Thought you were everything I could ever dream of, more that I could ever need. But you're like ghosts, ghosts, ghosts. But you're like ghosts, 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 and you don't like me. I caught you looking at me differently when nobody else could see. Thought you were always aching to see me in each and every possibility. But you're like ghosts, ghosts, ghosts. But you're like ghosts, 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 and you don't like me. And I will sit you down and give you a million reasons why being with me would make you realize that you'd be better with a guy. I could tell you I treat you right and never wrong. Tell you in my arms is where you belong. But I know that you can't change someone, so I'll just leave you alone. Although I wish you liked boys, boys, boys. I wish you liked boys, 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 boys like me. You could have had the decency to tell me when I tried to kiss you that other guys aren't really something that you've ever been into. Cause you're like ghosts, ghosts, ghosts. Cause you're like ghosts, 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 and you don't like me. I wish you'd had the kindness to turn me down privately instead of laughing about it with all of your mates and letting them talk shit about me. Cause you're like ghosts, ghosts, ghosts. Cause you're like ghosts, 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 and you don't like me. And I can sit you down and give you a million reasons why being with me would make you realize that you'd be better with a guy. I could tell you I treat you right and never wrong. Tell you in my arms is where you belong. But I know that you can't change someone, so I'll just leave you alone. Although I wish you liked boys, boys, boys. I wish you liked boys, 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 boys like me. I know you don't swing that way, but that won't take my feelings away. Oh, I wish you liked boys. Oh, I wish you liked boys. And I know you don't swing that way, but that won't take my feelings away. Oh, I wish you liked boys. Oh, I wish you liked boys like me. I will sit you down and give you a million reasons why being with me would make you realize that I'm your guy. And I would treat you right and never wrong, because in my arms is where you belong. But I know that you can't change someone, so I'll just leave you alone. Although I wish you liked boys, boys, boys. I wish you liked boys, 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 and you don't like me. I caught you looking at me differently when nobody else could see. Thought you were always aching to see me in each and every possibility. But you're like ghosts, ghosts, ghosts. But you're like ghosts, 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 and you don't like me. And I will sit you down and give you a million reasons why being with me would make you realize that you'd be better with a guy. I could tell you I treat you right and never wrong, tell you in my arms is where you belong, but I know that you can't change someone, so I'll just leave you alone. Although I wish you liked boys, 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 I wish you liked boys, 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 boys like me. Give you a million reasons why being with me make you realize that I'm your guy. And I will treat you right and never wrong, because in my arms is where you belong. But I know that you can't change someone, so I'll just leave you alone. Although I wish you liked boys, 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 boys like me.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome to a maintenance vlog. I'm going to be doing a very minimalistic maintenance on myself. I think I need to give accolade to the guy that fixed my nails. So this nails has been on my hand, I've been on my finger for like more than a month now, and no single one has fallen off. I've been waiting for one to fall. And I've literally been doing everything I'm supposed to do with my nails and nothing. It's more like no leave, no transfer. But if I'm waiting for it to fall off before I change it, it's not going to happen. So I'm just going to be redoing this thing. I don't even know how to take it off, but I guess the guy will be the one to do it himself. So yeah, I'm going to put up a hair inspiration of what I want to do on my hair, because I'm going to be taking this thing down today. And a couple of things I'm also going to be doing. So I'm going to be taking you guys along, and I hope you enjoy this video.